This is the grader project number 5, and we're doing some calculations in here. We're especially working with the payment function here, a few other things here. Again, this is a modification of the file that you're doing. Do not submit this. So what it is here, you're looking at a couple of scenarios here. It's talking about quarterly and monthly scenario. And actually, this is not quarterly. This is like, I would call this 30 years. And then I'd go into here 15 years. Because you're always paying them off per month, okay? The book goes into that. I just did a couple of quick changes here. What I want to do here, a down payment is subtracted. So it's going to be, you subtract the $20,000. You're buying a house for $331,000. You put a down payment. You want to determine the monthly payment. That is the payment function. There are 3 parts to it. I'm going to click on formulas, and I'm going to go into financial, and I'm going to choose PMT. Only one P in it. You have 3 parts. These 2 are not required, the FV or the type. You have the rate, the number of payments, and the principal. You've got the rate here. And what it is, you pay it monthly. You got to divide that monthly into a monthly rate. So divide by 12. You got the number of payments. This is a 15-year loan. 15 years, you typically pay a mortgage every month. The present value of the loan, which is the $331,000. We want it to appear as a positive. Hit the minus sign first. It gives the result here. So that is what the loan will cost. Next thing you want to know is how much is it going to cost to pay off this loan in total. You're paying this every month for 15 years. So it's just a little bit of arithmetic. You take that monthly payment, multiply it by 15 years, multiply it by 12. That's all it is. So you're going to be paying $130,000 in interest over 15 years. Let's say you want to know what the exact interest is you're paying. So total to repay, $130,000, as I said. Now this is interesting. You could actually copy this over to here if you want to, because you're using cell references. I copy, go over here, paste. And yes, you're paying a lot less per the mortgage here. Like about $900 or something. However, look what you're paying in interest, more than double. Other thing too that I will mention, it's not in this assignment, but typically when you do a 15-year loan versus 30 years, it's a lower percentage. Not in the project here, but I'm demonstrating this here. Let's say it's 3.75. It's a little bit less. And you can see how you are saving about $185,000. It means putting a little more aside. It also means that you plan on staying in the house for 15 years. So that is doing the calculations with the PMT function, payment function.